Pedro fermato in maniera regolare però da Campagnaro, poi Kovacic inventa per Icardi, la finta di Icardi, ma che gol ha fatto Icardi, sono 14 in campionato, raggiunge Palencia al primo posto della classifica dei marcatori.
Done, baby. Chrome Rose is a fucking masterpiece. Overall, super loud. Chris, grab the fucking champagne. Nitro, grab the fucking champagne. Chrome Rose is a fucking masterpiece.
Pop that shit, baby.
Hey, Huey, grab one. Alright, we're done.
Yeah, let's celebrate this moment. I just got back, baby. I just thrown this.
Let me celebrate this moment. Listen to the album I finished in slow motion. Making all the music in my city, I was chosen to show the world my vision. Hit 'em with chrome roses. 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm still awake. Last song on the album almost went insane. Steady trying to write to the shit. All night getting lit. On cue with the king. Sounds nice in the whip. And I'm strong as I've ever been. Ex-girlfriends couldn't find a better man. You probably wanna find a better friend. Why all these artists wanna hate me, I don't understand. Gotta follow the dream crazy. My grandpa Kent when he played for the Yankees passed on the jeans to the king late 80s. I got a different gift, but a gift's what he gave me. Promised I wouldn't change when I had to change up. So let's celebrate it tonight, cause I never gave up. Promised I wouldn't change when I had to change up. So let's celebrate it tonight, cause I never gave up. Cause I never gave up. Let me celebrate this moment. Let me celebrate this moment. Let me celebrate this moment.
This is my illest verse.
Let me celebrate this moment.
Yeah. Under Lord, above the law. Back when I stag up the 20s in my draw.